Leader Tom here, and today we're going to go over a really simple cookie recipe that you guys can make at home. All you need is butter, sugar and flour. So let's get started. Now the first thing to do when cooking anything is to make sure you wash your hands first, so we'll do that. So we're going to begin by adding 225 grams of butter to our mixture. Now remember to add it in small bits because it's easier to add a little bit more than it is to try and take some away. Once your butter has been weighed out, grab yourself a big bowl and a wooden spoon and put all your butter in. So all we're going to do now is cream the butter so that it's light and fluffy, meaning that it will not be a big block anymore. This may take some time. If you have a food processor, I can recommend using one of those as well, because that'll do the job much quicker. So add all the sugar to the mix and then stir it all in. Okay, let's head on back on over to the scales and add 275 grams of plain flour. Okay, then we're going to add our flour to the mixture. Now the flour's been added, we can start to mix it all in together. Now at this stage of your mixture, you can add optional ingredients of whatever else you like. So if you have chocolate chips, raisins, spices, so cinnamon as well, all these sort of things you can add in and try. I don't have any extra ingredients here, however you may have some lying around in the cupboard. Have a hunt, see what you can find. Now that the dough is ready to be cut and cooked, we're going to preheat our oven to 170 degrees C on the fan setting. Now if you're a younger one, please ask your parents to help you whilst doing this. Okay, we're going to take our cookies, put them into the oven, and then set a timer for 10 minutes. So now that our cookies are done, using an oven glove or something similar, grab them out of the oven. Younger ones, if you can ask your parents to help you, and then we'll put them over off there. Just give them a quick check. Yeah, see how they're hard on the top. We've got this light brown colour around the base. This means that they're ready. So grabbing a utensil, just shift it on over, and then you're just going to leave them to cool. Now if yours weren't quite ready after the extra 2 minutes, then just leave them in for another minute or so. Then just keep repeating this process until they are properly cooked, but they will be cooked. You just need to give them time, because the bigger you make your cookie, the longer it'll take to cook. So if you make a massive one, you may have to leave that thing in the oven for half an hour. Again, we're just going to leave these to cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then they're ready to eat. A good thing to do whilst you're waiting for your cookies to bake is to step outside for 5 minutes and enjoy the weather. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Now our cookies are ready to eat, so let's enjoy it. Yeah, that's actually really good. I'm well chuffed for that. Subscribe for more and let me know in the comments what you guys made and put in your cookies. Anyway, Tom, signing off. Cheers guys.